The best value 1080p GPU AMD 9060 XT with 16 gigabytes VRAM is currently available at MSRP, and that alone makes it one of the most attractive graphics cards in the market right now. Because if you're running a compact build and want a GPU that fits perfectly without cutting into airflow, the PowerColor Reaper Radeon RX 9060 XT 16 gigabytes at just $350 is definitely worth a look, especially as it belongs to PowerColor's RDNA4 lineup and is targeted at gamers who want to push 1080p gaming at ultra settings, while still having the flexibility for light 1440p gaming. Though if your goal is serious 1440p ultra performance, you may want to look at the bigger sibling, the 9070 XT. But for its price bracket, the 9060 XT delivers outstanding value, and the fact that it comes with 16 gigabytes of VRAM ensures future-proofing for modern games that demand more video memory, making it stand out from other entry and mid-range offerings. Now, let's dive into why this card is being praised as the sweet spot for value seekers. The Reaper 9060 XT uses a dual-fan setup with high-efficiency ring blade fans engineered for both airflow and silence, and these are paired with premium dual ball bearings that are designed specifically to reduce wear over time, giving the card durability and longer lifespan compared to cheaper cooling designs. Plus, PowerColor ties these fans to an intelligent control system that can stop them entirely when the GPU is under lighter loads, meaning near silent operation during idle or basic tasks, and then ramps them up only once the temperatures cross a set threshold, typically around 60 degrees Celsius, which makes for a balanced acoustic and thermal experience. So whether you're gaming casually or pushing the card harder, the cooling system adapts automatically to deliver the right balance. Adding to this efficient cooling is a nickel-plated copper base that makes direct contact with both the graphics processor and memory modules, ensuring heat spreads evenly across critical components instead of pooling in hotspots. And PowerColor goes further by applying a phase-change thermal interface material known as Honeywell PTM7950, which fills the tiniest gaps between the GPU heat spreader and heatsink under load, improving thermal transfer consistency and efficiency over traditional thermal paste, making this GPU extremely reliable for long sessions of gaming or creative workloads. From a size perspective, the Reaper is designed carefully to suit smaller enclosures, offering a compact 2-slot form factor without dropping down to a weaker single-fan design, and that balance makes a fantastic option for small form factor SFF cases where bulkier triple-fan cards simply won't fit. So if you're someone with a mini IDX or micro ATX build looking for maximum power without compromising airflow, this is one of the best options you can find today. Looking deeper into its technical specifications, the Reaper 9060 XT features 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 video memory running across a 256-bit interface at blazing fast 20 gigabits per second speeds, giving plenty of bandwidth for textures, ray tracing, and future-ready gaming demands. It comes with 2048 stream processors that work in tandem to deliver a game clock speed of up to 2,620 MHz and a boost clock of up to 3,230 MHz, ensuring smooth frame rates across the latest AAA titles, and combined with RDNA4 architecture enhancements, it brings highly competitive performance to the $350 tier, something rarely seen in today's GPU market. The cooling, as mentioned, is advanced with dual-fan design, high-efficiency ring blade fans, premium dual ball bearings, nickel-plated copper base, and Honeywell PTM7950 thermal interface material, plus intelligent 0 RPM fans stop below 50 degrees Celsius and automatic fans start at 60 degrees Celsius, giving users a whisper-quiet experience during daily use and powerful cooling under load. Connectivity-wise, the card is generous, offering 3 DisplayPort 2.1 outputs along with 1 HDMI 2.1 port, supporting the latest high-refresh 4K monitors and next-gen displays, ensuring that gamers and content creators alike can maximize visual fidelity, VRR, HDR, and high-bandwidth connections without compromise. The bus standard is PCI Express 4.0, perfectly suited for today's mainstream and high-end systems, with power provided by dual 8-pin PCI connectors, ensuring stable delivery for high boost clocks without hitting thermal or power throttling too early. All of this comes in a clean, compact 2-slot design that makes it not only practical, but appealing to builders who want efficient airflow and smaller cases without losing performance. And the best part? The price is still just $349.99, available at MSRP, and currently sold and shipped by Newegg US, which makes it an absolute steal given the inflated GPU pricing we've seen in recent years. And while other cards in this range often cut corners on VRAM or cooling, PowerColor's Reaper RX 9060 XT feels like a well-balanced product designed to hit that sweet spot of price, performance, efficiency, and compactness, making it a must-check for anyone building a budget-conscious yet powerful gaming rig. In summary, the AMD Radeon RX 9060 XT PowerColor Reaper Edition is one of the best GPUs you can buy right now for pure 1080p Ultra gaming. It handles modern titles gracefully, dips into light 1440p gaming when needed, stays cool and quiet with its advanced cooling system, fits into compact builds without compromise, and best of all, it delivers all of this at the incredibly competitive MSRP of just $350, which is almost unheard of in today's market. And that is why this card deserves the title of Best Value 1080p GPU in 2025. And as prices continue to fluctuate and new launches push the high-end market higher, value options like this become even more important for everyday gamers. So if you're planning your next build or upgrade and want maximum performance without emptying your wallet, the Reaper Radeon RX 9060 XT 16GB is a card you should absolutely consider, and that's why we'll keep highlighting such golden value deals for you. Only here on TechVerse.